was so inside, there was something going on. You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. Tender love is blind, it requires a dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride together, making love with each other, islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another,
I can live without you if the love was gone. Everything is nothing, you got no one. Walking tonight, slowly losing sight of the real thing. But that won't happen to us when we got no doubt. Too deep in love and we got no way out. And the message is clear, this could be the end for the real thing. No more will you cry, baby, I will hurt you never. We started and us one, not forever we can ride together, making love with each other, islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, sail away. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, from one lover to another,
Okay, sagot na kami nabot yung may isang balset at sasala tayo. Sinabiak to si Gading Na'y mabuy-buyak Tapos sa mapangaral Kaunggan Kay tirik na Naminta-pintas mo Awan pang ipataan Isip mang kayaw Kay di marikrik na Dahil nga isisem mo
ay pudno hamak kabiyak. Kasla alimong ko kakalip mo ako sunagan. Kaputis mo kasla porselan at pangiyarigan. Sikat sabong murmuray daytoy mata. Nagpindas kanu ading aklalo no sikat tumis-ise. Nagpintas kanu ading ipatay ko taapak ningi nga ise.
Yan, sumabalito yung apo ti Agsa Sala. Tapos kasapot, rapid sa akin tayo ti Thanksgiving celebration of Atty. Cesar Cortez. Dance for all. May saan po nga balse para kada kayo amin.
Nagana sinabiyag no si kaading
Kay mabuy-buya
Dagos na mabangaran
kaunggan day kuirig na naming kapintas mo awan pang ipadaan
Isip mang kayaw
day di maliklik na
Naganga isisip mo ay pudno Amak kabiyak Tas na alinunod
kakalin mo ako sumada kaputis mo kasla porselan at pangiyarigan
Sikat sabong
murmuray daytoy mata
Nagpintas Ganong ading Haglalo
Musika tumis-ise
Nagpintas Ganong ading
ipatay ko kaabag pingi nga ise
Ipatay ko Kaapak pingi nga isip
Lembag nga bigat, aldaw, kataya amin na po. At dito yung mga kundaway, kat dawatek, diti atensyon nyo apo, ada dito yung apo, iti kapapatgan apo, kamay sa kabagyan. Kat iso apo, iti Paris Priest tayo, iti iling Santa Cruz apo. Yak knowledge ko man apo, iti kadana, ito yung tatay nga bigat, kat kadyaman nami, Father Tito Cortez apo iti kadam itoy. Kita madamdam kami apo kadan sa pakakupingupuman ni Father da papanang sumaro nga programa uno dapan na bendisyon na matlang apo nga lugar nga iso nga rod nga naka-schedule matlang kanya na apo iso nga dati akong daway at dawatek balagan apo iti atensyon, yung apo, tumaktarteman, tapalakpakan tayo po, niya po, Father, Padi, nga may basit, magtitibas yung mensahe, kaya palubusan tayo ito, apo, kalbasan na, ada pa para na. Thank you, apo.
Umunalaw na, apo, tugaw kayo, apo, pangasiyo, dumawatak ti dispensar kini Atty. Manong Cesar, ada blesak apo ijay tagudin. Ada blessing ko ijay tagudin tata. Ket umunalaunay agyamanak ti imbitasyon ti kinapateg toy numo na inimbitarami ti daytoy nga okasyon ti panagyaman mo manong. Magtadak kano ti mensahe. Naganan, umunalaunay kat God will never fail a person who have that faith and hope kanyana. Sagapon na oray na umdaya panawan nga tinartarigagayam, inted na ti panawan nga hamungan ni namnama, iti panawan nga dinawdawat mo, iti panawan nga the best apo nga haan nga isotay tinarigagayam nga panawan no diket di tinarigagayam na po Dios. Sagapon na congratulations, dating grasya na po Dios kay ka manong attorney. Ken kasamatan tiyagtultuloy ko mga daytoy iti sa testament nga ni Apo Dios ket di nga baybayan ti agtaklin ken agdayaw ken kuana. So congratulations anjak na mo no kasanok nga yebkas dayjay nga panang congratulate ko ken ka. Idi nakitak jay nagan mo ket napalalo ti ragsak to'y numo. Iti daytoy nga balaygi nga nadanon mo, daytoy nga parabor ni Apo Diyos kengka. Kat awan ang ko nga iyadado ti agsao, palagi pan na tayo nga adudag iti gundaway nga dawatan tayo nga ijay panawan nga sungbat nakat iti panawan nga iti tiyempo ni Apo Dios. And God's timing is always the best. God's timing is always the best. Sagapo na this is not a late response, but it is a response to your prayer. Dagiti desire mo iti panawan nga ninahamungan ninamnama and kunan dagarod di pasat ti pamati tayo dahi ti Apo. God knows the best for us. Sagapo na congratulations manong. Kaya dawat bendisyon akma dahi ito itaraunan Apo. Nung ang paedan to pa'y programa na basit, programa na. Kat tumakdar tayo Apo. Itinagan ti Ama ken ti Anak ken ti Espiritu Santo. Ti Apo adda kumakada kayo. Nilangitan nga ma, sikat ti pagtaudan ti amin na bendisyon ken grasya. Sikamet laeng ti pagtaudan dagiti sungbat kadagiti tarigagay mi. Awan ti nasantuan, awan ti naimbag, no saan nga agtaod ken ka. Kadawatin mi ta bendisyon nam dahi nga talaong, iti daytoy nga panagyaman, iti kabsat mi. Gapo iti naglaplapusanan nga sagot mo ken kuana ken ti pamilyana. Apo taginayunem kaday ta nga sagot, ken bendisyonan na kami met iti nga may saken may sama kipagragsak ken kuana iti daytoy a balaygi. Kada waten mi ta bendisyonam dagiti nga taraon pagsasanwan mi nga pagyaman na ken ka. Agbalin ko mapigsami kired mi ken mangipalagi pa kan kanayon nga sikamet laeng ti mang taraon mang tagibi ken mang taranay kada kami iti panagdalyasat mi tinaldawaldaw. Pakawnen na kami met dagiti nagkurkurangan mi Apo. Ket sulnitam na inayunam dagiti kurang mi, baben metlaeng tiaglaplapusan nga kinaimbag mo, ken kinamanagayat mo. Amin dagitoy, dawaten mi. Gapu ken Kristo nga anak mo ken napumi. Amen. Tinagan ti Ama anak Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Itinagan Apo, iti pamilyami, kastamod kayo ti kabarangkaya, ka Father, thank you for coming, kat nuwampay amuming, aduti pakakumikubang Father, kat nang tagkamot ti oras mo, latta kada kami, nang isamira ka Apo, ti oras mo, tapno lang Apo, dumatagkan sa bendisyonan ni Apo Diyos, dito yung Apo nga ramid, may agyaman kami unay Apo, Father. Kastamot Apo, ang kablaawak, ken agyaman na kiti presensya Apo, iti may isang madaydayaw Apo nga Sangguniang Bayan mi ti nga Santa Cruz Apo. Thank you for coming. Welcome Apo Sangguniang Bayan Oscar Romano sir. Kada kayo amin na Apo, nga datakta ditoy, ang kayo may sa nga may naganan. Giyamanak, di kadayo Apo. Sakbay nga nakituloy Apo, pagyamanak man Apo gayam, ni Apo Kapitan, iti panang palubos na apo, datoy covered court, nga isong karon ti venue, datoy okasyon tayo apo kapitan. Thank you very much apo kapitan. Kahit kas pangurayan tayo dapo, iti basit mo taraong iti pagkasangwan, alak enjoy and relax apo, habang dengdenggan tayo iti napipintas, nga sa niweng musika, nga itad ka na tayo iti banda Sweet Blend. Thank you apo. Di ka tayo po, mayat ka sumala. Sumala ta apo. Thank you apo. Thank you. Welcome apo, kata kaya amin. Diyos nagngina. Diyos nagngina apo, ti yung mangnangday ka namin tatangal daw apo. Kaya kakabagyak apo, nga aderta, ang kaya mga may laganan amin, ang kaya malak amin kata kayo apo, no da pala pagtugawan la. Sumrik kayo apo. Sige na apo, mabalin pa jay bleachers apo. Kaya sirsirok ti kayo. Sa bagay, no ati kapudot na, napindas mo't lang ti. Sirsirok apo, ti kayo, no da kayo apo, may gagtugaw. Dapat ti bleachers apo, nga mayo pagtugawan. Welcome kayo amin apo. Diyos nagngina ka kayo apo. Nga imay di maray tatang. Thank you.
Ayan, so thank you so much once again, Attorney Cesar Cortez. Ayan, sasakbay tayo apo nga agpasar, agbabalse tayo pekano apo. Ayan, so may sama na po nga balseta, sumala amin apo, nga imay nakidangdangay kin nakiragragsak ti panakaselebrasyon, ti baro nga attorney tayo, Attorney Cesar Cortez. Yan, so palakpakan tayo man apo ti Attorney Cesar Cortez. Tayo so na apo ti rason no apay nga datayo aming tatanga oras. Ayan, so tumakdar tayo nga doon apo ta agsasala tayo ti balse. It happened in old Oklahoma. One night with a beautiful moon. Love blossomed in old Oklahoma. Two hearts were beating in two. Love faded away with the dawning. Left me to pine for my darling that once was my own. Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Go send her my love. Tell her I'm pining away, waiting in old Oklahoma, in hoping she'll come back someday. Kasilaw mo, di mo ka't ipakita. O naranayang ang ulan Sangsangit kulit lingan, ku'y nasit at talubong ko, hingga't silawan, nagpudyan mayaw awan. Nunin ka ng lipatin, karim ka niyang nagipusin, samsang itik di patay, umulan kita kunin, nang laylayan di ayat, hingga ka di palas bangin, un-unoy udara sa maikete. Yes, acknowledge the arrival of Honorable Vice Mayor Virgilio Valle. Ayan, so na yung mga oras mo po, sir. Huwin ka ng lipatin, karing kaniyak nagibusin, samsam itik di patay, umulan kita klunin, nang laylayan ni ayat, hingga ka din palas bangin, un-unoy udara sa maiketen. Nuin ka ng lipatin, karim kaniyak nagibusin, samsam itik di patay, umulan kita klunin, nang laylayan ni ayat, hingga ka din palas bangin, un-unoy udara sa maiketen.
Thank you. Ako, Sweet Blend Band. Kakabisat na nagkasat tayo. Itatang alaw apo ta ada dito iti mayor tayo. When vice mayor tayo apo, iti iliming Santa Cruz apo ni Apo Atty. Virgilio J. Valle, sir. Thank you, Ninong. Agyaman naklaunay. Expectarek. Away kayo. Amulyo apo ni Apo Mayor, Vice Mayor ti may samat nga nagararapaap dati inumutibiyang nga agbalin tumot nga may nga abogado wakas ken kuana. Ket adumat apo kagdikan kanito nga adabot na tulong na apo dati inumutibiyang. Ket agyaman nak sir, ta numampay no hangko nagunod iti nga diti gundaway ket it's not God's will yet siguro. So apo, I appreciate everything, sir. Big nga nitulong mo kanya. Kahit kas pa habang alright while we are waiting apo, iti dapat basi nga taraong iti pagsangwan, ket be relax and be enjoyed iti dapat basit apo nga sagana mi maramdam ket kas pa orayan tayo apo ket relax and enjoy apo. Dagiti sanuweng nga ipatayab dagitoy musikero tayo sa Tagalawa. Alaga tapo, agsasalat na tayo kano. At sinyasan daktaw dagito iter no mabalindot kuan agpasaram ni kapsat sige apo, relax lang apo and enjoy apo. Thank you.
Another dance roll po para apo kadagiti makamuti ang A-Walk Eki Breaky Ha.
Kablawa pa kadagyaman akong apo, tadamo dagiti kakabagyak apo nga taga-Kandon. Apo, ani Ringo Abrero apo, dadan to. Thank you. Thank you, Uncle. Apo Ringo Abrero apo, ikabagyak na taga-Kandon apo. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Here's another dance for all po. Achy breaky heart. Okay, come on everybody. Dance for all. Oh, manan mga mamshis.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can come out close when I'm gone. Or you could tell your friends just what I'm for them. And love me talk about me all along. You can tell my arms go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more.
Let's go.
But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it, I just say. And to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up into this man. You can tell your mom I'm up to Arkansas. You can tell your dog to bite my leg. I'll tell you about a clip, but this can tell my lips he never really liked me anyway. I'll tell you what, Louise, they'll anything you please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to what's in for my mind. It might be walking out of me today.
Let's go.
But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it, I understand. And to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up because this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it, I understand. And to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up because this man. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it, I understand. And to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up because this man.
Sige lang po. Hip-hop dancing po.
Awat dun dinugmaa on ka ay ayama. Hintaro kaan maa asisiling on naata. No kanuot
You can smile, every smile for the girl who holds your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. Oh, darling, save the last dance for me. 'Cause I know that the music's fine, like a sparkling wine. Go and have your fun, dance and sing that one world apart. Don't give your heart to anyone, but don't forget who's taking you home, and in those arms you're gonna be. Oh, darling, save the last dance for me. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If she asks if you're all alone, can't he take you home? You must tell her no. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. Save the last dance for me. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in those arms you're gonna be. Oh, darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, darling, save the last dance for me.
Stuck on you, I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way. I needed a friend, and a way up and now I guess I'll be with you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. Yes, I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait to run for a man like me. Yes, I'm on my way.
You came when I was happy in your sunshine. I grew to love you more each passing day. Before too long, I built my world around you, and I prayed you love me enough for me to stay. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me go. I can take another minute of a day without you waiting. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, then set me free. Take the chains away that keep me loving you. The arms that open wide to hold me closer. The hands that run down fingers through my hair. Smile that says hello, it's good to see you. Every time I turn around and find you there. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me go. I can take another minute of a day without you waiting. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, then set me free. Take the chains away that keep me loving you. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me go. I can take another minute of a day without you waiting. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, then set me free. Take the chains away that keep me loving you. Take the chains away that keep me loving you. Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but I know it's growing strong. Was in the spring, when spring became the summer. Oh, I believe you'll come along. Hands touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet But tonight, when I don't seem so lonely, we filled it up with only two. And when I heard things run up my shoulders, how can I hurt when holding you? One touching me, touching you. Oh, sweet Caroline, good times never seem so certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be, to live with you, live with you. And there's a way, everybody say, to do each and every little thing. But what does it bring if I am got you and get you? Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. And my brain, I say your face again, and all my frame of mind. You ain't got to be so blind, and I'm blind, so very blind. I'm a man. Can't you see what I am? I live and breathe for you. But what good does it do if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Ano man ang sabihin nila, ika'y patuloy kong mamahalin. Maging pianista ka man, di na magbabago ang pag-ibig ko. Dahil minamahal kita, walang makakapigil sa aking damdamin. Upang ikaw ay ibigin ko ng lubos, sasambahin lagi dahil mahal kita. Lahat ng bagay ay aking matatanggap. At dahil mahal kita, ang palaon at padayan, kahit matumbas, ito'y kasawian. Dahil mahal kita, ang palaon at padayan, at di na muling iibig pa.
feel I'm going back to Massachusetts. Something's telling me I must go home. Into lights pouring out in Massachusetts. The day I left, her standing on her own, tried to hitch a ride to San Francisco. God, that you the things I wanna do. Into lights pouring out in Massachusetts. They brought me back to see my way with you. So about your life in Massachusetts. Speak about the people I have seen. In the lights pouring out in Massachusetts. And Massachusetts is one place that I'm seeing.
When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wonder where they gone. But they're back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every word still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that it's started to sing so fine. When we get to the point where it's breaking apart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I would sing to them, and the memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me. I still remember you so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every word still shines.
Ayan, so kadagiti saan pa'y apo nga nagpasar, adupay kano apo ti naisagana para kanyayo. Ayan, so kadagiti awan apo ti paglamisaan na, dagiti kano nalpas apo nga dagtumakat, mabalinda kano matanapo ti sumublat no ko apo. Thank you so much po.
Kumusta ka aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong intindi, nakakaraos di mga gabing mapanglaw ay dinadaan sa awitin. Nalulungkot kong damdamin, naaaliw na rin. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo ka'y parang kapiling ka, mahal. Kumusta ka? Malalim pa itong gabi, malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Kung mayayakap lamang kita, lamig ay di madadama. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo ka'y parang kapiling ka, mahal. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong intindi, nakakaraos din. Kumusta ka aking mahal?
Sardang milang bit apo ko akir ijas. Thank you po na makapag shout out na po. Thank you.